Tammy here. Thank you for joining me today on this gorgeous day. And I thought, I thought it would be good if you and I just took a walk together. So let's take a walk. Let's enjoy this view together, all right? And let's just have a little chat today. So first of all, thank you for joining. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, I truly appreciate it. And I just want to let you know I'm always putting out great content on the weekly to help guide you on your own personal growth journey. Just giving you some tips, ideas, some things that I've implemented in my own life that I feel that could help you in your life. So again, thank you for joining. And also, don't forget to, click that little bell so you always get reminded on the next one. And hey, listen, before we get into the topic today, I just want to also let you know that I have a free training video series that I put together that really goes deep into helping you to become a more happier, confident, and healthier and successful person. Don't we all want that in your life? So hey, I would love to have you aboard. Click at any time if you want to. All right, let's get into it today. So first of all, this topic is a little funny, but I think it's really serious too. It's a topic about making shit happen in your life. You know what I mean? Like, how do you do that? Well, first of all, I want to start off with this little phrase that I heard from one of my friends. He was like, hey, look, I'm going to do this thing for my friend that's in my band, and I'm X-Lax. I make shit happen. And I'm like, what? It was funny. If you ever know the story about X-Lax, X-Lax is like, something you can buy on the market that makes you poop. So, hence the phrase, I'm X-Lax, or I'm like X-Lax, I make shit happen. And I was like, okay, that's cool. So, anyway, he's in a band, right? He plays bass, and his friend plays drums. And, he's like, man, I wish I can get a better sound. My cymbals are so old. I can't afford to buy them, right? So my friend was like, wow, it would be really cool to help him out and get him some cymbals. So he tells me in secret, he goes, this is going to be a surprise. I'm going to go ahead and save up. Oh, that is so gorgeous. You see that view? Girl. He goes, I'm just going to go ahead and save up and buy him these cymbals, and I'm going to pop it on him and surprise him, right? And he's never going to know. He goes, I just want to get the satisfaction of actually giving these to him and making him happy and put a big smile on his face. So I said, well, that's really cool. That's sweet. So that's what he does. He saves up the money, and he buys the cymbals. He gives it to his friend. Of course, his friend freaks out. He's like, whoa, dude, this is so awesome. So they jam and they get the sound, and it's all good, right? So he was like X-Lex, he made shit happen. But here's the funny thing, and maybe not so funny, because I think about this even in my own life, and I think so many people are so willing to help others that they really like or love, but they don't want to help themselves, and not saying anything bad about me, my friend, anybody in this world, but don't we always seem to make shit happen for others, but we never make it happen for ourselves? Why is that? Well, I think it's because we hit certain roadblocks, and I want to go over some things I think that could maybe help us all. And actually, I've implemented this in my own life, and I'm telling you what, I've been making shit happen lately, and I want to share this with you. So, number one, you got to have the vision. What's your vision? What is it that you want out of life? Do you want to travel and see places like this? You want to get out of your 9-to-5 job? Okay, write it down. What do you want to do? What's your vision? Number two, passion. Passion. Man, you want whatever it is, you want it bad. Number two, right? Number three is the action to get to where you want so bad, and this is where people get stuck. They're like, oh, I don't have the time, I don't have the money, I don't have the energy, I don't have this, I don't have that, right? I call bullshit. I hate to say it, but I call bullshit. And you know why? We all have the same amount of time in the day. Nobody's special. It's just how you manage your time. So you've got to figure out a way how to manage your time, and it all first starts with making it priority in your life, okay? The next big thing is resilience. You have got to have resilience. You are gonna run into roadblocks. You are going to hit the wall. You are going to fall down. You just have to know that you need to have the resilience to get up and to keep going and say, fuck it. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna do this thing because this is what I want. This is my vision and this is my passion, and I'm gonna make it happen. I don't care what obstacles are in the way. Got it? Resilience, baby. The next thing, which I think is very important as well, is the people in your life. Are they negative or are they positive? You got to have more positive influences in your life than you actually have negative. Now, have you ever heard the thing about, people say, you are the sum total of the closest 5 people in your life? I truly believe that. So if the sum total, whether it's family or friends, are negative-based attitude kind of people, then we have issues, okay? We got issues. Because you're going to start to absorb that negative energy, and you're going to start to feel like they do, which is probably crap. And then they're going to be the Debbie Downer that brings you down on your dreams and aspirations, and you're going to think, well, shit, I might as well just quit and forget about it. They're not doing anything with their life. Psh, fuck that, man. I'm telling you, you got to move on with your life. So pick up some more happier people. Pick up some people that influence you in your life. The positives. Reduce or eliminate the negatives, okay? So I want to be one of those mentors. I want to be one of those positive people that can help you in your life. So please consider joining me. It's real easy. All you gotta do is click the link below the button. Click the link below the video. And just consider joining me. It's an in-depth training strategy that will help you on your personal growth journey to become more happier, confident, successful, and even healthier. Feel good, because you gotta feel good and be in the right mindset to actually make shit happen in your life. Doesn't it make sense? Uh-huh. Okay. So, click the link below the video and join me. I'd love to have you aboard if you want to. All right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and this gorgeous view behind me. Man, this is freaking awesome. Doesn't get any better than this. And, I'm going to leave you with this thought. I just want you to be. I want you just to be who you are and to be the person that makes shit happen in your life. Okay? And then, that's it. That's it. If you got any questions, if you got any comments, drop them below the video as well. I'd love to hear from you. Hey, even give me a thumbs up if you just like the background, Anything would be appreciative. Again, just be. I love you. Until next time, we'll talk. Bye.